the first folder of the U-disk, there is the running environment file of the machine, which needs to be installed in full. First, open the settings. Enter Facility Management in the Settings search bar. Find Other Equipment. Click to select NCM Gadget. Right-click to update the driver. Click Browse My Computer to find the driver. Click Let Me from the list of available drivers on your computer. Select and slide down. Locate the network adapter. Click Next. Waiting to search for files. Find Microsoft in the Manufacturer column. Find the USB NCM host device in the Model column. Then the next step is to wait for the installation to complete. At this point, we will open the Arcade New project again, waiting for driver confirmation. You can see the upper right corner. It's already linked here. In this way, the driver is installed successfully. Open the second folder in the USB stick and find the engraving software. Then open the software. Make sure the machine and computer are connected normally, and then we click the Connect button. Open Facility Management and test whether the Z-axis lifts normally. Be sure to click Return to 0. In the device, find the engraving mode and select Add. Select Crystal Engraving Mode. Adjust the focal length of the crystal inner engraving through the side lift button. The red dots overlap, which means the focus is successful. Take out the crystal. Measure crystal size. Set the size of the crystal in the software. Import the test model of the third folder on the USB flash drive. modify the size or orientation of the model. Adjust the laser parameters of the engraved crystal. Generate sculpting models. Click the Preview button in the software. To prevent laser engraving of the panel, you can add a black card pad on it. Put on a white glasses cloth and observe the position of the crystal engraving. Click the Engrave button to start engraving.